I told you guys clearly that GBPUSD will be giving us a bullish move for the day, right? I mean, we've been doing this analysis back to back, right, for the past, 3 days, right? I said that we will be having a multiple movements, which is a series of higher high and an higher low. Then once we have that high, then there will be an higher low, which is what market has given us. So for the day, GBPUSD gave us a bearish move. Now for the 29th, right, we'll be expecting GBP USD to give us a bullish move. So this is one of the reasons why, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new and you are not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also stay updated by following the Telegram channel. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, back to our daily analysis. If you take a look at it right here, you can see that we're having a series of higher high and an higher low, right? Now, guys, let's start from here for quick analysis. If you take a look at this to be your higher high, and this here is seen as your higher low. This is also taken to be the higher high, and this is seen as the higher low. Then here is seen, this is seen as the higher high, and this here is the higher low, right? GBPUSD was able to push up to form a new higher high, and this is taken to be the higher low, right? After the higher low, what the market did next? Market eventually pushed up to form a new higher high. This is one of the reasons why we had this massive bullish move. Now that we've gotten this new higher high, what the market do next? If you take a look at it, market was able to give us an higher low, which is a pullback. Now our next movement on GBPUSD will be a new higher high. So that is to tell you that for the day, right, we will be expecting GBPUSD to push up. Now let's go down to the 4-hour time frame. You can clearly see it right here. You can clearly see that this is your pullback on your 4-hour time frame, right? What is market about to do? Market is now about to push up, so it is able to take out this high. So if you are not yet in the buy, you can go ahead and hop in on the buy. Maybe in London section if you want. And if you want to appear for the buy now, fine, absolutely, it is still perfect because we will still be expecting GBPUSD to push further and take out this previous high. So more updates will be covered for you guys in the Telegram. I'll be putting the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So follow the Telegram channel, like, share, make your comments, and also click on the like bell notification so that once we drop an update, instantly you will get the updates.